everyone, Sparkle Sprinkler here. I've gotten some more new subscribers. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate all of you. If you're new here, welcome in. I hope you enjoy what you see here on my channel. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back and being a viewer that's returning to my channel. Today we have a partial. This is going to not be winter or Christmas. This is just kind of break things up. I got this in the massive haul as well. We've got 6 canvases. I hope everyone is doing good today. This one was $4.25, and I've gotten two price matches on this. This is part 11, y'all. We are moving along with this. Standard toolkit. This one has 12 colors in it. I love this one. Fold this back some. There we go. All right. It's a little umbrella with flowers. I apologize for the lighting. In order for you to see, I have to keep my lights back, but it's causing a glare further up. So I'm just going to keep this tilted. I have worked with lighting, and this may just be what we have. So we'll just work with it. Okay, 12 colors in this one. They are already bagged up for us. Let me zoom this in just a tick. Okay. We have a purple, very beautiful blue, green, light yellow, dark blue marquise, clear, a medium colored yellow, fuchsia ABs, I'm sorry, they're not ABs, marquise. A fuchsia pink, yellow marquise. Now these, I usually don't put this plastic on my canvases, but I love these little things. Come on, focus for me. Let me zoom this back out. I had focus problems, and now I have changed my settings, and I no longer have focus. It's like a little flower, and it has an AB coating on it. These will go on my canvases. I love these little things. And gold beads. Trying to relearn my camera now that I had to take the settings off. It was just sitting there, just every time the autofocus would just constantly just flicker trying to focus, and I tried every setting I could get. Nothing worked, so I just turned it off. So now I'm retraining myself with my camera to focus down, not bring it up. So okay, this was $4.25. There you go. All right, then we have this one. This one was $5.48, and I've gotten 3 price matches on it. I'm getting price matches every day, y'all. Be sure to check your price matches. Oh, look at her. Isn't she pretty? Toolkit. This one has 9, 10, 11 colors in it. I love her. Playing the piano with her little kitty cat. Look at that. Isn't she adorable? Look at the little kitty. I love her. 11 colors in this one. Okay. We have a burnt orange, a dark orange, a yellow, red, dark maroon red, sort of a peachy apricot color, standard black, clear, red marquise, and these will stay on my canvas as well. They're roses. And then green ABs. I love these. I've seen pink. I think I've seen blue in these. These are very pretty. They will go in these little circles through here. They will be very pretty on the canvas. Very few plastic ones. The rounds I don't keep. The teardrop ones I don't keep. But anything like the flowers or the pink ones that you saw a while ago, I will use those. Those are fine by me. Okay, $5.48, and I have gotten price matches. Okay, this one was $4.04. I've gotten one price match on it. I love the little grandmas. If you've been here long enough, you know. They are my favorite. This one's pretty wrinkled. It's going to require my flattener. Oh, this is super, super sticky. A little grandma chasing her cat, or trying to get her cat out of a tree. Look at her. I love her. This one has the same little flower ones that was in the first one. And it looks like there's pink and yellows in here. This one has 9 colors in it. We have a light purple, an apricot green, AB pearls. Here's the pink ones. There, let me see if I can get one of these separated out, just in case you've never seen these before. It's round, but it's like a flower. Let me see. Zoom this in and see if it'll focus it for us. There we go. It's like a little flower, but it's pink on the back, but AB coated on the front. Yellow, standard black, and here's the yellow one. Isn't that pretty? These I will use. And then we have a lemon color. That is going to be beautiful. I bet these are all in her dress. Yes, the C and the B. Those are going to be all in her dress, her hair, and her sleeves. These are going to be beautiful on here. I love the little grandmas. I have so many of them. $4.04, and I have gotten price matches. All of these I have. I have gotten a ton of price matches the last couple of days. This one was $3.85, and I've gotten one price match on it. Let's zoom this down a little bit so you can see the whole canvas. Standard toolkit. This one has 8 colors. Little beach pups. A little bit more. There we go. Look at them. I love this. Y'all, I diamond paint everything. It does not matter to me. The only thing I don't do is the spooky things and, you know, the true Halloween. And I diamond paint everything. Yellow, green, a lemon, clear, a blue, a dark pink, AB rounds, and pink marquise. They are, no, those are not marquise. Those are the teardrops. Let me see if we can zoom in and show you. Get one pushed out here. They are teardrop shaped, and they are hot pink. This was $3.85. This one was $4.11, and I've gotten one price match on it. Oh, that's pretty. Toolkit. It has 6 colors. Very sticky. This one is beautiful. Wow. I love the little ladies. I have a bunch of Victorian dresses and things like that. I love them. Ballerinas. I diamond paint it all. Okay, we have a clear, apricot, a darker blue, burnt yellow. That's a dark, almost gold yellow. Small pink marquise, and then the pearl AB teardrops. I think you're going to find with my hauls and my stash, there's something for everyone in this, because man, yeah, I see it, I like it, I get it. Okay, this was $4.11, and I've gotten price matches on it. And then here is our last one. This one was $5.50, and I've gotten 2 price matches on this one. Toolkit. Oh my heck, look at her. Y'all, I get some of these things just because they make me laugh, and she must have made me laugh when I saw her on the screen. So I got her. If that's not a free spirit at heart, I will never see one. Look at the cat, like, seriously? Yeah. Mercy. This one will make me giggle as I diamond paint it, that's for sure. And there's just certain ones that I see that I normally wouldn't get, but that, you know, if it makes me laugh, in the cart it goes. Let's look at her now that she's all smoothed out. She has 10 colors. Look at her. If she's not something, let's see what kind of colors we've got. I'm expecting some vibrant ones in this one. Okay, you have clear, hot pink, yellow, a very dark hot pink, a blue, a bright yellow, a green, red rounds, yellow marquees, and hot pink marquees. I love her. And she was $5.50. Okay, let's get a look back through these. I love that cat. Look at him. He's like, oh, please. Wow. Okay. Then we have the Victorian ladies. They were $4.11. Those are beautiful. I love it when it's just faint. It's almost like a watercolor. Beautiful. I love this bird cage. And you do get to do the bird cage. It's got diamonds on it as well. That is going to be beautiful. $4.11. And then you got the pups at the beach. They were $3.85. How cute are they? And then you've got the little grandma trying to get her cat out of the tree. $4.04. And the little girl with the umbrella, it was $5.48. She is beautiful. I love that little kitten. And then we have the umbrella. This is my favorite. I love things like this. Let me zoom this down so you can see this canvas a little bit better. Look at that umbrella. That thing is going to be gorgeous. You diamond paint all of the flowers. Every one of them. I just love that. Okay, this one was $4.25. Okay, I'm still unable to leave links in the description for these. I will do as I've been doing. If you've seen any of my other videos, if you're new here, since my channel is so new, I'm unable to leave links. So what I do is I go to Temu, I get the product number, and I'll put like umbrella, and out beside it I'll have the product number for the umbrella. You can copy that, go back to Temu, put it in the search box, and hit enter, and it will bring this up. If it does not show up, then that means it's either out of stock or it's been discontinued. And you know, with Temu, I could order this right now and go back in an hour and it's out of stock. It's just notorious for that. But there are other sellers on Temu that usually offer the same canvases, different prices. But if you want this and it won't come up for you, let me know in the comments and I will do my best to try to help you find this. Hopefully, I don't know how long it's going to take for my channel to get history, as they call it, so I can leave links. So until then, I'll just leave the product for you there in the description box, and you can go get it from there. All right, everyone, that's going to do it for today. This is day 11. It's hard to believe we've been at this 11 days. A lot more to go. We will see y'all tomorrow. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.